As people grow older, the body undergoes several changes. Metabolism slows down, digestion becomes less efficient, and the body becomes more sensitive to the types of foods consumed. For those over 60, it's especially important to reconsider the kinds of meat they include in their diet. While meat remains a valuable source of protein, iron, and essential nutrients, not all meats are created equal. Some can pose serious risks to the heart, brain, kidneys, and overall well-being. Choosing the wrong meats regularly can quietly increase the chances of heart attacks, cancer, memory problems, and other chronic conditions. That's why it's important to recognize which meats may now be harming your body and which ones can actually help you live longer and feel better. Let's begin with the meats that can do more harm than good. One of the most problematic types of meat for older adults is pork sausage. Though it's a popular breakfast food and often appears harmless, most conventional pork sausage is heavily processed. It typically contains very high levels of sodium, saturated fats, and preservatives such as nitrates and nitrites. These preservatives are added to extend shelf life and preserve the color and flavor of the meat. However, when cooked, nitrates and nitrites can turn into nitrosamines, substances that have been linked to cancer, particularly in the colon. A study published in 2022 in BMC Medicine found that seniors who consumed pork sausage twice a week were 22% more likely to develop colon cancer. The same group also had a 16% higher chance of developing kidney problems. The high sodium content in these sausages also contributes to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for strokes and heart attacks in the elderly. A better alternative is preservative-free turkey or chicken sausage, which is lower in fat and sodium. Making homemade sausage from lean meat and herbs can also provide a flavorful yet safer option. Another meat to avoid is deli meat and cold cuts. These include items like sliced ham, turkey, bologna, roast beef, and salami, all of which are common in sandwiches and wraps. While they are convenient and don't require cooking, most of these meats are highly processed. They often contain high levels of salt, sugar, chemical flavor enhancers, and preservatives such as sodium nitrite. Sodium nitrite has been shown to form carcinogenic compounds in the body when consumed regularly. A 2020 study from the International Journal of Epidemiology found that seniors who ate deli meats 4 or more times per week had a 24% increased risk of heart failure. These meats also tend to be high in unhealthy fats and low in nutritional value. Over time, their regular consumption can lead to weight gain, poor blood circulation, and a weakened immune system. A much safer approach is to prepare fresh lean meats at home. Roasting a whole chicken or turkey breast and slicing it for sandwiches provides better control over ingredients and helps avoid the harmful effects of preservatives. Fried chicken, especially the kind served in fast food restaurants, is another meat that should be avoided by people over 60. While it's tasty and comforting, the way it's prepared makes it a nutritional disaster. Deep frying chicken in oil, particularly when the oil is reused many times, leads to the formation of toxic compounds like trans fats and acrylamides. These substances have been linked to inflammation, increased cholesterol, and higher cancer risk. A 2020 study published in BMJ tracked older women who regularly consumed fried chicken and found a 13% increase in the risk of death from all causes. The flour-based breading used in fried chicken is also high in refined carbohydrates, which can spike blood sugar and increase belly fat, making it more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. All of these effects add up to more stress on the body's organs, especially the heart and liver. Instead of frying, baking, or air-frying chicken, using healthy oils like olive oil and seasoning it with herbs can provide a crispy texture without the harmful effects. It's a healthier and safer way to enjoy chicken without putting your life at risk. Perhaps the most surprising meat to avoid is skinless, factory-farmed chicken breast. For decades, skinless chicken breast has been promoted as the healthiest meat option due to its low fat and high protein content. However, for older adults, this might not be entirely true. Factory-farmed chickens are often raised on genetically modified feed and given antibiotics and growth enhancers. These chemicals can remain in the meat and may negatively affect hormone levels and gut health. Additionally, skinless chicken breast is extremely low in fat. While that may sound good, it can be a problem for seniors. As we age, our bodies need more healthy fats to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like D and K, which are essential for bone strength, brain health, and immune function. A 2018 study revealed that older adults who frequently consumed skinless chicken breast were more likely to experience muscle loss, weakness, and frailty. This could be due to the lack of supporting nutrients and healthy fats needed to maintain muscle mass. A better choice would be organic, pasture-raised chicken with the skin on or dark meat parts, such as thighs, which contain more essential nutrients and healthy fats to support healthy aging. Now that we've looked at the meats to avoid, let us turn to the positive side. The meats that are beneficial for people over 60. First on this list is wild-caught salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and support brain function. Omega-3 South also improve mood and reduce the risk of depression, which can affect many seniors. A 2017 study published in Frontiers in Aging, Neuroscience found that older adults who ate salmon at least twice a week had better memory and cognitive function than those who didn't eat. Salmon is also a good source of vitamin D, which supports bone strength and immune health. When choosing salmon, go for wild-caught varieties instead of farm-raised ones, which may contain contaminants and fewer nutrients. Baking or grilling salmon with herbs and lemon can bring out its natural flavors and preserve its health benefits. Next on the list of best meats for seniors is grass-fed beef. While red meat often gets a bad reputation, grass-fed beef is much healthier than its grain-fed counterpart. Grass-fed beef contains more omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, both of which help fight inflammation and support a healthy metabolism. It's also rich in vitamin B12, zinc, and iron, nutrients essential for maintaining energy levels, strong muscles, and a sharp mind. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed moderate amounts of lean, grass-fed beef maintain better strength and muscle mass over time. When choosing beef, opt for lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin and keep portions moderate, such as once or twice a week. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of beef without the risks associated with overconsumption. Turkey, especially when it's free-range and organic, is another excellent meat for older adults. It's lean, high in protein, and low in saturated fat. One unique benefit of turkey is that it contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, a chemical that supports emotional balance and sleep. Seniors often struggle with sleep issues and mood fluctuations, and turkey can help promote better rest and mental well-being. It also contains important nutrients like selenium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, which support the immune system and cellular health. Ground turkey is a versatile ingredient that works well in soups, stews, or healthy burgers. Just make sure to avoid processed turkey products like deli slices or turkey bacon, as they can contain hidden sodium and preservatives. One of the most underrated but highly beneficial meats for seniors is sardines. These small fish are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, calcium, and protein, all of which are crucial for seniors. Sardines support heart health, reduce inflammation, and strengthen bones. They are also one of the few natural sources of coenzyme Q10, a compound that boosts energy production in cells and improves cardiovascular function. A study from Age and Aging in 2015 showed that seniors who regularly ate oily fish like sardines had a 44% lower risk of developing memory problems and cognitive decline. Sardines are also very affordable and convenient, especially when canned in olive oil. They can be eaten straight from the can, added to salads, or served on whole grain toast for a simple and nutritious meal. In summary, your body's needs change after 60, and what worked in your younger years might no longer be the best choice. Processed, fried, and factory farm meats can increase the risk of serious health problems like heart disease, cancer, high blood pressure, and cognitive decline. Reducing or eliminating meats like pork sausage, deli meats, fried chicken, and factory farm chicken breast can significantly improve your quality of life. On the other hand, adding more nutrient-rich options like wild-caught salmon, grass-fed beef, organic turkey, and sardines can support your body's aging process and help you stay strong, sharp, and active. Taking control of your meat choices doesn't mean giving up flavor or satisfaction. With a few smart swaps and a focus on quality over quantity, you can continue to enjoy delicious meals while protecting your health and extending your life.